stopped adding new stuff. I have to assume they're still adding stuff. I know, like with Savannah? No, Savannah is my name. Everybody knows me as Savannah. I'm okay with that. It's my game name. It's my game name. I'm not the only one out there, unfortunately, with that game name. But thanks for looking out for me, dude. Thanks for looking out. Oh, yes. Okay. That's what I thought you were referring to. I wasn't sure, though. I hadn't heard that they had gone to the council now. That's cool, though. That's really cool. Alrighty, that's the bases right there. Okay. I did that one and this one. They're both done now. Boop, boop, boop. And now we do this side. And the loopy-loop. Oh my God, yeah. The delay is totally missing because like I'll see something on here, I'll respond to you, and then like I don't know which one you're responding to because I've asked like 3 questions in a row. I'll get better, I swear. Yeah. Yeah, I mean that's how those games are. Any MMORPG, they just keep coming out with new content, and if they don't come out with new content, then their game is going to die because no one's going to keep, playing it. So ultimately, they have to keep it going, Okay. You've only been playing for 18 months? I thought you said that you were playing for a couple years. Or the Saran have only been around for 18 months. Almost complete. So now the creature has even grown weirder. It's going to have actual legs. Look at this. If you look, it even looks more creepy. Creepy, creepy, creepy. Except I keep breaking parts. Yep. That's me. Wait. There we go. Hey, 316, when you're doing your leather working, do other people actually like give you comments about like what's a better method, or do you just kind of do it in front of them, or how does that kind of communication works? Oh, it's been on console for 18 months. Thanks, 7. So now I'm putting these little pieces right here onto each one of these. I was supposed to put them on before I put them on, but you know, that's what happens when you don't pay attention completely. Having fun just listening, or not listening, but reading your guys' comments. They're fun, and I appreciate it. Oh, that's awesome. I think that would be the coolest thing, is being able to get the advice from people. I mean, giving advice to people is absolutely amazing once you actually understand. So what I do in my professional world is I'm a SQL programmer, database. So when I can actually give people advice on, you know, blogs and stuff, it's like the coolest thing, because I feel like I've actually amounted to something. So that people actually share inside, like the comments and stuff, the Steam chat is really cool. I think that, or stream, not Steam, sorry. Stream chat is really, really cool. It's been really cook. So it's been really cook. I think really cool. I think you meant cool. Yeah, no, that would be awesome. Hopefully, I'll be able to get that going as well. Yeah. I'm like, are you thinking about food like me? I have these cronut holes next to me, and they smell so good, but I just keep wanting to put the Legos together because one more brick. If you ever played Minecraft, you understand what I mean by that. One more, just one more brick, just one more brick. I love me some Minecraft. Haven't played in a long time though, unfortunately. All right, it's getting its wings now, or whatever these are called, blades. Almost there, guys, almost there. I don't have any more stickers left, so that's a good sign. I do have all these like pieces left though. Oh, come on now. Phew. All right. Well, that looks freaking amazing. Now what creature does it look like? The heck? Ah. Boop. Boop. And last but not least, things to shoot out of the little guns. Of course, I never actually shoot these out because Legos are precious. They're so precious. So, and I will never find them again. But there we go. All these little pieces still left. So, that's it, guys. That's what it looks like. Pretty freaking amazing. Let me flip it over so you can see the other side. Let me open it up if I can. Has a little dashboard in there. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Okay, so the manual for the Royal Talon Fighter Attack. Now, I don't know what you guys necessarily want to know about the set, but the instruction manual is actually pretty decent. The only time I messed up was because of me, because I didn't count, you know, the little Lego pieces to figure out where exactly something ended up. But this looks pretty freaking close, I mean, as a Lego, to the ship that you see in the movie. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that it looks pretty close if you saw the movie? And what do you think? I think it's pretty cool looking. It's definitely unique. I can't say that I've seen a ship like this with Lego before, because sometimes, like, especially the helicopters, I know. I actually will be doing a couple large ones. I have the Ghostbuster firehouse that I want to do. I have this robot that I got for Christmas that I can actually have program things for it to do or something. And then I have the Hulkbuster, the Iron Man Hulkbuster that I'm going to be doing. Yes, I did the Helicarrier already, and I also have the Millennium Falcon done. So unfortunately, I didn't know that Twitch would that Twitch had a Lego community at all. But oh yeah, I know. I really am excited about that. I do have the firehouse. I do. It's a huge box. Oh my god, it's gonna take hours and hours and hours to put it together. And I think it has like 14 minifigs and ghosts and stuff. And I have the Millennium Falcon for Rey. So the Rey Falcon one. Yeah, I do. I was so excited when I got it, and it was right before the boost in the price went up. So I got it for pretty cheap on Amazon, like $100 or something for it. And then the Falcon, but now it's like 226 or something like that. It's freaking crazy because I keep watching them as they go up in price, because I'm like, oh gosh, I'm so glad I got mine. Anyway, so that was the Royal Talon Fighter Attack set, and I know he said that. I can't wait to watch it. I have a friend who has like the humongous set, and he has yet to get it all together. He's like struggling hardcore for it. Yeah, pal, I'm talking about you. If you're on, I don't know if you're watching me, but yeah. What did you think of that Falcon? I actually enjoyed putting it together. So this particular set, again, it comes with it came with 4 minifigs. It came with Claw and his hand. It came with Killmonger. It came with Nakia. And of course, Black Panther. And I hope you guys all enjoyed And I'll be back here on Mondays at around 6:30, somewhere in there. Eventually I'll have my schedule up. Yeah, I have that. Yep. I do have it here. Okay, before I leave, just so you guys can see this awesomeness. Okay, let me go get it. Just 1 second. So this is what you get. You guys can see it hopefully a little bit. All of this beautifulness. And in here I have the little thing that I push, and look. Ah, yes, look, as I knock things over. This was me, man. I put this sucker together. So, yep, I put this sucker together with the motor and everything. It was pretty good. It's a pretty hefty set, Lego set. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me. It is noisy. It's so noisy. But I do have to go for tonight, but I'll see you guys back here on Monday, I hope. And also I stream there's another channel that we stream called Dorkside Gaming. And I hope you guys will watch it. It's us playing different board games. Otherwise, see you here on Monday. Thanks, guys, for making this awesome.